Listen, what do you think about this program in school?
I think the earth is going to be everyone's problem later. So I think it's a very good idea to make children, especially the young ones from a young age, already knowledgeable about the earth and about recycling, about reusing. Yeah, I think the world is getting crowded more crowded. Therefore, plastic is getting in the ocean, plastic is staying in the ground. So the children need to be aware of that to make a difference later in life. I think it's really good.
More earlier, better.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
How impact the students this program?
How the impact is on the students? Well, I think it's really funny because I've been to other schools in Indonesia, and in this school, if I ask them from a small age, do you know what global warming is?
Global warming.
Yeah. We know global warming. So they learn it very well from the inside already about global warming, about all the problems that the Earth has or has to deal with at the moment. So it is I think, a really good program to make people in general more aware about the Earth. Yeah.
And they're learning about the future, about nature.
Yeah, and they can teach their children about the Earth and the planet and what it does, what our impact is on the nature. So to make them aware from a very young age, I think that is the key to improving the world in this matter. Yeah.
Are you something hope for school in Indonesia?
I hope that every school would be like this. Absolutely, yeah. I think the children learn in a very free environment, which makes them want to learn instead of that they have to learn. They're doing all these programs, really nice programs. Yeah, they learn a lot, not only in school, not only from but also from experience. And I think that's a really important thing in kids while they're learning, to learn from experience instead of only from books.
Save our planet, save our Earth.
Yeah, exactly.
Thank you, Miss. Oke, pemirsa.